Every life reaches a moment where a single choice stands before us, silent yet powerful. Some choices feel small, but they quietly decide whether we stay where we are or rise higher. The wise know this truth. Your future is shaped not by chance, but by decision.
Are posting these types of videos, they are getting lots of views. So let's go into this channel. You will see that this channel was created, the oldest video is 8 months ago. Now if you go to the popular video, you see that it has over 600,000 views. So these are just all the videos on this channel, and the channel just have only 49 video. So this is another channel. So the popular video of this one is 1.8 million views. So you see the numbers that this channel is having, the numbers of views. So 1.8 million views 1 year ago. So we are just going to let's go to this particular one. So now we'll just go into the description of the channel. Then we'll just click on this link, the channel link. So we are going to copy the channel link. Copy the channel link. Now we are going to go back to ChatGPT. Once you get to ChatGPT, you're just going to post the link that you copied from the that channel. Then you are going to send it. So once you give ChatGPT the link, it's going to bring out all the details of that particular channel. Now you are going to tell ChatGPT to give you to recreate 5 titles for you from that channel. So now I said rewrite 5 best titles for me from that channel. So I'm just going to send this. Now I'm going to let ChatGPT write 5 titles for me. So now the first one is the silent habit that is quietly destroying your future. So these are the titles that ChatGPT gave to me from that channel. So ChatGPT helped me to rewrite the titles. So the next thing I will do now is to tell ChatGPT to give me the best. So I'll just say give me the best title. Give me the best title. So I'll just send that. So the best title is the one choice that can change your life forever. So now we are going to go back to the channel. So now we are going to go back to the channel. Then we'll tell ChatGPT, we'll screenshot the channel like this. So just screenshot the channel. Then we'll take the picture to ChatGPT. So now once we get to ChatGPT, we are going to post the picture on ChatGPT. So now I said using this picture as reference, create 10 pictures prompts for the title above for my motivational story video. So I'm just going to send that. So once I send that, I'm going to let ChatGPT write pictures prompts for me. So now these are the pictures prompts that ChatGPT gave to us. So now I'm going to tell ChatGPT, put them in a box. Put them in a box so I can copy them. Put in a box so I can copy it. So I just want to be able to copy everything once. So now you see I can easily copy everything now. So now I will just copy it, then I will take it to my image generator to generate all the pictures for me. So if you still don't know how to generate bulk images, I have a video on my channel on how to generate bulk images. So I'm just going to bring it here. I'm just going to paste everything, all the prompts. I'm just going to paste them here. So once I'm done, I'll just click on start. Then click on run on this project. So now I'm just going to let it generate all the images for me. So now once you see all done, so you're just going to take a look at all the images that Auto generated for us. So now all these images are going to automatically download to your device. Now let's go back to ChatGPT for our audio prompt. Now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write audio prompts for this video. So now I said write audio prompt for this motivational story video. For 10 pictures, I said for 10 pictures, each picture is 3 seconds long. So the reason why I'm telling ChatGPT this, so that I will know how long the audio prompt is going to be. So I'm just going to send this. I'm going to send this. So now all you are just going to do is to copy it. Now go to your browser and search for Google AI Studio. So you're going to click on get started. So now once you click on get started, where they wrote what's new, then you come to this place where they wrote turn text into audio with Gemini. So you can put this on desktop site so that you can see everything well. So now you come to this part and click on single speaker audio. So now you come to this style instruction. So we don't know the style instruction. So we are just going to go back to Gemini and ask Gemini what's the style instruction. So what's the style instruction for this audio? So we're just going to let Gemini give us let ChatGPT give us the style instruction. Then we're going to copy the style instruction. Then we're going to go back. We're going to come to this part. Then we delete this one. Then we paste the style instruction. Now once we are done pasting the style instruction, we'll come back here and paste the audio prompt. So now you come to this part, the voice part. So you are going to select the voice that you want to use. So just listen to each of the voices.
Ready to build something up? Got a project in mind?
What do you want to explore?
Ready to make something amazing? What sparks your interest? What kind of masterpiece are we aiming for? What kind of problem could we solve?
So these are the voices. So we're just going to select the one we want here. So now you just select the one you want.
What do you want to explore?
Then come to this down part. Then you click on run. So it's going to start generating.
Silent, yet powerful. Some choices feel small, but they quietly decide whether we stay where we are or rise higher. The wise know this truth. Your future is shaped not by chance, but by decisions. Fear will beg you to stay comfortable, but courage whispers that growth lives ahead. The past.
So now, we're just going to come to this place. These three dots, you are going to click on it and click on download. So now we just downloaded it.
Every life reaches a moment where a single choice stands.
So now the next thing we are going to do is to go to CapCut. So once you get to CapCut, click on new video. And you're just going to select all the pictures. So we're just going to select all the pictures. Then we'll come to this place and click on HD. Click on HD, then click on add. So now these are the pictures. So you need to add transitions to it. So add transitions to it. So let me choose this first one. Then I'll come to this down part and click on apply to all. apply to all clips. Now you're going to play them and see. So make sure you add transitions to it. It's very important. So now the next thing we will do is to come over to this place and click on add audio. So you're just going to go to your device and look for the audio that you've downloaded.
Choice stands before us, silent yet powerful. Some choices feel small, but they quietly decide whether we stay where we are or rise higher. The wise know this.
Now this is the audio. We're just going to click on it.
Every life reaches a moment where a single choice stands before us.
So now we're just going to click on the volume part.
Every life reaches a moment where a single choice stands before.
So now the next thing we are going to do is to click on, we're going to add captions to it. So we are going to come to this part where they wrote captions. Then you are going to look for let's choose this one. Now click on generate and it's going to generate your caption for you automatically. So now it has generated the caption. So if you want to edit your caption, you can come to this place and click on style.
Every life reaches a moment where a single choice stands before us.
Now you can come here and click on style. Look for fonts. So I'll go for this elegance. So now I'm going to play the video.
Every life reaches a moment where a single choice stands before us, silent yet powerful. Some choices feel small, but they quietly decide whether we stay where we are or rise higher. The wise know this truth. Your future is shaped not by chance, but by decisions. Fear will beg you to stay comfortable, but courage whispers that growth lives ahead.
So that's it. Once you are done with this, all you're just going to do is to come to this part, export. So you're going to export your video. So now once we are done exporting it, we're just going to go back to our ChatGPT. So I said, give me channel name idea for my motivational story YouTube channel. So I'm just going to send this and let ChatGPT give us ideas that we can use for our channel name. So these are the ones I gave. So I'll just say select the best for me. Select the best. So now this is the best. So now this is the best. I'm just going to copy it. Now I will say give me description for this channel. So give me description for this channel. So I'm just going to send that. Then let's wait for it to give us description for this channel. So now I'm just going to copy the description also before we head over to the channel. So now we'll go over to YouTube. So now we'll go over to YouTube and paste the name. Oh, sorry. So now this is the name. We're just going to click on save. So now this is the handle name, mindset. So now you're going to click on save. Now we'll come to this description part. Then we are going to paste the description, the channel description. Then we are going to click on save. So now we'll go back to. So now we'll tell ChatGPT to write prompt for the profile picture. So write prompt for the profile picture. Then we'll send that. So now we'll also say write prompt for the banner. Write prompt for the banner. So I'm just going to send that. Then I'm just going to copy the two prompts. So I'll copy this first one for the profile picture, then copy the second one for the banner. So now I'll go to the profile picture. I'll go to Gemini, then I'll drop the first prompt for the profile picture. So let's see what Gemini is going to create for us. So now this is the profile picture. So we're just going to save it. And this is the banner that I created. So we'll just save the two. So now I'll come back to YouTube. And I'm just going to click on save. So now you're also going to save the banner. So now once we are done setting up, we're just going to create our first video. Then you're going to click on done. So we're going to be posting it on shorts first because it's a short video. So if you want to make long form video, you can also make it with this same method.
Choice stands before us, silent yet
So now you
powerful.
just click on next.
Some choices feel small, but they quietly...
So you click on next. Now you're just going to put the title name. Then you click on public. So now you're just going to click on upload. So now we just uploaded our first video.
If you watched this video to this point, please give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button. I will see you in my next one.